Hi guys, let's make some mashed potatoes and gravy. First, you add some butter into your boiling water. Take your Ayoola potato flour made from 100% Irish potatoes, gluten-free, and can be used to make variety of dishes like your cereal, your swallow, and even mashed potatoes. Once your mixture is solidified, you're going to add warm milk gradually, stirring it till you achieve your desired consistency for mashed potatoes. Ayoola potato flour is available in 500 grams and 1 kg. Add a little bit of salt to it, and then your mashed potatoes is ready in less than 5 minutes. Next, for the gravy, add beef and seasoning cube, add water, combine it together and set aside. Melt some butter in your pot, gradually add flour and then stir it. Add chili pepper if you want, and then stir this till it turns brown. Next, you add the stock gradually and stirring it occasionally too, just so that it doesn't create lumps. Keep stirring. Once you've achieved your desired consistency, then your gravy is ready. I love that Ayoola potato flour is rich in antioxidants and the taste is so nice. You need to try this.